Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your INFINIX Hot 60i. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, if you have the case that covers even a tiny part of the bezels right here, then it can touch your screen and this is what would happen. So ignore this because this is just my two fingers pulling on it, as you guys can see, but I'm not able to move with one finger, so I cannot do anything. As you guys can see, I can't even select it because this finger is like something is holding up the screen. So this is how your screen can become less responsive. Now for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, if it's misaligned and it's covering a tiny part of the side of the phone and not the entire screen, then that can also cause the issues, so you definitely do not want that. Now, what you guys can do as the next step is to clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. So, grab your microfiber cloth and then simply give it a few swipes. So, 4 swipes is enough, 2 for each side of the screen. Now our screen is shiny and it looks good. What we can do next is force restart our phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button until the screen goes black. Ignore this popping up and also ignore this. Now, as you guys can see, the screen went black, we see the logo, now we can let go, and also you guys once it turns back on. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is to update your software to fix any glitches. So, go over to the settings. Now, after going into the settings, go over to my phone, and here you will need to click on XOS. Now, it will either let you update or say that your system is up to date. We can of course double check it to make sure that the phone is not lying, and as you guys can see, I am running the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because most of the glitches are on the older versions and not the newer ones. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.